Hello, my friends and my subscriber, and hello world, especially Indonesia and India, my friends and Philippines also. So uh, this video is I show you one sounds, my friend. I made it my hand. This sounds is made I got dirty, my friend, no? Because I'm have working full as strong, you know. Okay, so I will show you one song, my friend. One sounds I made it in my for my hand. You position your hands like this, my friend, like that, my friend. I create a sounds in my hands, like that, my friend. Position like that. Okay, then you like this, you know. Okay, okay, let's start, my friend. I'll show you sounds like birds. Okay, so let's go. Oh, you hear that, my friends? One more, my friend. Whoa, one more again. Ooh, nice, my friend. That's the song of my hands I was creating now, no? So, thanks for watching. You.